All right, first let's look around the room and see if you can find 3 things that are blue. Got those? Okay. Now keep looking around the room, and this time we're going to look for one thing that reminds you of a happier moment. It could be a toy or a stuffy that reminds you of a funny memory with your child. It could be a photo of a trip that you took. It could be a nice empty coffee cup that reminds you how delicious your coffee was this morning. Anything at all that just reminds you of a happier, more peaceful moment. Okay? Once you've got that, give me a thumbs up with one hand and a peace sign with the other hand. And we're going to switch back and forth between those 2 movements. Doesn't matter if you make a mistake. We're just going to keep switching back and forth. This is just helping our brain reconnect with our body and be a little bit less overwhelmed by the emotions of the moment. Keep going. Just a few more seconds. All right, we're going to finish with a nice deep breath in through your nose. Pause, don't breathe out yet. In again through your nose, and now out through your mouth with a little bit of sound. Let's do that again. In, pause, in again, and out. And one more. Hopefully you're starting to feel a little bit more equipped to manage the moment that brought you here. If not, go ahead and go through those again. Okay? These are all little exercises to just help send our brain signals of safety, help it come back into the moment, help make those emotions feel a little bit more manageable. All right? Like I said, feel free to repeat this if you need it. You got this.